Recently, one of my viewers inquired if I can demonstrate how I can do a stack bar chart for his bean research project here. And this is what the net result is going to look like at the end of the day. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to insert the stack bar chart here. You're going to place your cursor anywhere on your dataset table here. Press Ctrl A to highlight the whole dataset table. Next, you're going to go to Insert. Under Charts, you're going to click on this icon to do a pull down. And under 2D column, you're going to select this stacked column here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to position this nicely. It could be anywhere on your spreadsheet. I'm going to position it nicely so it looks like that. Next, I'm going to add a data label for each of these bar chart here. The way to do it is to right click the very first bar chart here, which is going to be the light blue, and I'm going to say add data label. And you're going to repeat the same process, right click, add data label for every bar chart like this. And the next thing I have to do is that make this into a label. The reason for that is because the blue bar here is actually your total here, and we don't want to be part of the stack bar chart here. I'm going to make this into a data label alone. So right click on the blue bar chart here, change series chart type. It's going to come up with this pop-up window here. On this pop-up window, you're going to select combo, and you're going to scroll all the way down and look for the column called total like that. And you're going to change this stack column into a line chart and click OK. What that does is that it's going to create a line chart on top of your existing stack bar chart here. Now you're going to have to basically position this data label for the total right at the top here. You're going to right click on that data label for the total and then go format data labels. In here you're going to say above. This will position it right above the stack bar chart here. And then after that, to make it a bit more obvious, I'm going to change this font size to say, could be anything. I'm going to say 11, and I'm going to make it bold. You can change the color if you like to red or whatever you like. And after that, let's hide this line chart here. Select this blue line chart, and then under this fill and line, if this thing is disappeared, let's say for example like that, you can right click on this guy here and format data series, and the same pop-up will come up here, and click on this fill and line. Under this section here, you're gonna basically say no line, which will basically remove all the lines there. Let's close this to make it a bit more obvious. Now we don't have the total bar chart on this stack here, so let's get rid of this total here. Click again one more time until you see this total being highlighted, and press delete on your keyboard. And to make it a bit more interesting, let's change the title to My Bean World or something like that. And then once you do all that, you are done.